Choose the word or words that, when inserted in the sentence to replace the blank or blanks, best fits the meaning of the sentence. Throughout the years, the main stock exchange indices show a continuous rise, but provide blank indication that the indices will blank this year. So when we have a question like this with 2 or more blanks, we do not recommend doing the trial and error method of trying the different answer choices in the blanks and seeing what makes the most sense. Instead, we recommend quickly reading through the sentence, trying to understand the general tone of the sentence, and then moving to the answer choices to choose the one that's most in keeping with the tone of the sentence. We're also looking out for words like contradiction words, comparison words, negation words, and affirmation words, which give us a sense of what kind of words we should be looking for in our answer choices. And here in this sentence, we do find one, which is but, meaning that what comes before the but should be different than what comes after the but. So now we're going to move on to our answer choices, again, keeping in mind that we're looking for something that shows that what comes after the but provides information that is different than what comes before. So our first answer choice is no and surge, which would actually tell us something different than what comes before, because in contrast to the continuous rise, we actually don't know what will happen this year. So that makes sense in the context of the sentence. But let's look at the other answer choices. We have ample and ascend, which actually would give us the same information as what we had before the but, making the logic of the sentence not work. So we can go ahead and eliminate that answer choice. Next, we have decent and plunge. So we actually don't get an indication of whether or not the rise will continue, but we also don't get any information that it will go in the opposite direction. So we cannot confidently pick that answer choice. Next, we have nil and drop, which technically could be true, but because of this but here, we should expect the information to relate to what came before the but. And this does not quite do that. And then the internal logic of the sentence isn't as complete as it could be. So we're going to go ahead and eliminate that answer choice. Next, we have substantial and oscillate. And again, doesn't really give us that contradiction or the different information for before the but and after the but, so it's not our best answer choice. So our best answer choice by far is going to be no and surge.